Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Parcels and Petals, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Parcel Petals, and we're going to be using the Somebody Loves You Lots and Lots. And this is a very, very quick card, so it comes together really fast. Super short video for you. Okay, I have the Pressed Petals Designer Series paper, and there's frames on a couple of the pieces, and I just cut this at 4 by 5.5. And then I have our stamp mounted on Clear Block D. I'm going to come in with the Early Espresso. And I'm just going to center it here, just like that. Close that up. Now I have a piece of Daffodil Delight, and this is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I'm just going to adhere this down with some SNAIL adhesive. And this paper is super thin. I love it. And this is going to make a very, very thin little border. Just like that. And then we're going to put it on our card base. And our card base is crumb cake, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Just going to turn it here so that I can get this on. So just like that. And then I have the braided linen trim, and I'm just going to make a bow. Make a smaller bow than that. So just like that, I'm going to trim off the edges here, the ends. And then I'm going to put that down with a glue dot. And I'm just going to put it right here in the center. There you have it, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!